Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add an email field in bit form. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the form name. Here, search for the email field. Drag and drop the email field from the right sidebar into the form builder. Then navigate to the email field settings. The label option allows you to set a name for the field label that will be displayed on the front end of the form. Subtitle is used to add additional information to the field. You can also add a subtitle for the email field from here. Admin label is used for administrative purposes and allows administrators to set a label name that will appear on the entries page. You can adjust the size and position of the field using these options. The input icon option allows you to add a symbol or image within the input field. This feature allows you to provide clear instructions on what information to enter, making it easier for users to complete forms or documents. The helper text option enables you to provide short information about your input field, including any input restrictions and formatting requirements. This option allows you to set a default email for the form field that will automatically populate when the form is loaded on the front end. The required option makes a form field mandatory and lets you customize the error message. You can show or hide the asterisk symbol by clicking this option. You can also choose the position of the asterisk symbol for the required field, before and after the label, on the right or left of the field. If you enable this option, the email field will be hidden, and if you disable this option, the email field will be visible. The read-only option allows visitors to view information without editing it, and this option ensures that important details remain accurate and unchanged. You can show or hide this setting by clicking this option. The disable option prevents users from entering or modifying any information in the form, ensuring that the form data remains accurate and unaltered. The invalid error message option allows you to set a custom error message that will be displayed when a user inputs an invalid email address. This option ensures that every user is unique and it helps to prevent duplicate email address. You can also set a custom error message that will be displayed if a duplicate email address is found. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form to review the email field. Here, you can see that the email field has been successfully added to the form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.